These days, I barely open up Figma. I design pretty much exclusively in Claude Code, but it hands me HTML file after HTML file after HTML file. And when I finally want my team's feedback, the HTML lands in Slack as a wall of code. They have to download files they don't want, and half the time, crickets. I never know if anyone's even looked. So I built Almanac. You can upload any prototype to a single link, and my team leaves comments pinned right on the live page. Figma-style on the HTML I'm actually shipping. Okay, let me show you how it works. I can sign in with Gmail and publish one of the prototypes I'm working on. Once it's uploaded, I can copy and paste the URL and drop it straight in Slack. And look at this. This is my favorite part. I can tell who's on the page right now and who's viewed it before. So I can see exactly whenever my boss is looking at a project that I sent to him. I actually know the second he's reviewed something. And then the commenting works kind of like Figma. You can click anywhere to leave a comment and people can reply back and forth. And there's this whole feed of everything that's happened. But here's the part I'm most excited to share. This whole tool is a seed, which essentially is a set of instructions you can give your agent to create the whole app for you. You just go to the seed page, copy one command, and paste it into Claude Code. It asks you a couple questions, like which Vercel you want to use. You have to choose a password, that kind of stuff. And then it builds the entire app from scratch. It even goes back and checks its own work. Minutes later, you've got your own Almanac, live and gated for your team. This is design feedback in the age of Gen AI. It's called the Almanac. It's become our ledger of feedback at Plow. And honestly, if this sounds like something that might help you, you can grab it in the link below. It's free to build and runs on your own Vercel. We're adding new seeds every week. Follow us and watch us build Plow in public, live streamed 24/7 at watchmepivot.com.